Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today's video is about how I organized my Almirah. This Almirah was given to me for my wedding, so I've been using it since then. Start with the first shelf. Here all are my heavy sarees which I use for wedding and family occasions. Beside that are simple sarees which are used for my office wear, which I used to wear for my office wear. Then coming to this shelf below, sorry about the lightning guys, here I keep all my purses. There's a video on my mom bag essentials. I'll leave the link below, please do check it out. These are my formal purses here which I used to take to my office. And here are a few party wear sequence purses. There's another one here. Back here also is another purse. These are wooden design. And beside the purses I have these folders. First folder belongs to the school receipts. Second one belongs to jewelry receipts. And this one are important government documents like passport and Aadhaar card. Photocopies are in this of my entire families, my husband, my kids, everyone. So I keep photocopies of here. And on this side, I hope you can see, this is my travel pouch. Back here are my artificial jewelry. This is my phone case. Party wears. And this is my daily wear jewelry bag. I'll be doing a video on jewelry organization. Please do check it out. Then down here is my locker. Most of my jewelry are in the bank. There's hardly anything in there except for a couple of jewelry pieces there. And this is a box which I call it as a God box. That is this God box. I'm sorry I cannot open this and show it to you guys on social media. But this box, every month for monthly expenses here, we take out a certain amount and put it in this box here initially. Then we go through our monthly expenses. The money in the God box is given away to God on special occasions. So this is what it is. Now coming to a lower shelf, here are all my cotton sarees, a few more of my office wear sarees which I used to wear to my office, and these are all my puja or Friday special sarees. Then here sarees that need to go for stitching are kept here. And in this box, it's not a box actually, it's a bag, organizer. The first box here is my tambulam or haldi kumkum box. In which I keep the gift carry bags. For haldi kumkum or tambulam which we give here, we need these gift bags. Then for tambulam we use betel nuts. We call them vakalu in Telugu. I've kept them here, and these are all kumkum packets. These are all kumkum packets here individually, and then these are all turmeric or haldi packets. And these were given to me at an occasion, so I've kept them here. So this is what this box is all about. Here are a few silverware. These are not my regular use silverware, but occasional for special occasions like Diwali, Dashara. I use this silverware for prasad and naivedyam. Are a few blouse pieces that we use for tambulam. I've kept them organized here in this way. Now this box here, it's written as a gift box, but I'm using it for something else. It's not a gift, it's been purchased. And this here is my Radhe Krishna. Now right next to this box are my daily wear sarees here. Daily use sarees, few more. And down here you can see these individual organizers where I keep all the sequence work sarees here. All the sequences which are work sarees here. So sarees with sequences or heavy work sarees like this and this one are kept in individual pouches like that, so that the sequences from these sarees, let me show you, the sequences from these sarees do not get tangled with the other sarees and spoil them. Organizer is my laundry bag which I send to laundry for my sarees. Let me open it. This is how the bag opens. There's a knot tied up here. This is the blouse pouch, and inside sarees which need to go for dry cleaning. So completely creased. I put in this. I've put like 3 sarees down here. Second one, and this below one is the third one. These knots here help put the saree in its position when tied up. Now this is the blouse pouch. It also has a velcro here. So the blouses are put in this. Now they are all crumbled, so after dry cleaning it's neatly put in these pouches and they are returned. So this is my laundry bag for sarees, and I put it on the lower shelf of my Almirah. This is my laundry bag. Once the sarees come back from the dry cleaning, I remove from this bag and arrange according to their places. Now coming to this last organizer, let me pull it out and show you. This organizer, I keep my shawls, hand gloves, and another shawl here. Now coming to the doors, I keep my daily used bag here. It's from Lavi. And on this side, here I keep a fragrance sachet. This is sandalwood. This is from Iris, a fragrance sachet from Iris. This keeps your Almirah smelling good. And here I have some gift covers. There's another one there. Shagun covers or gift covers here. This here is my checkbook folder. I keep it on this. Hope you all can see this organizer on my Almirah door. And here are a few bangles. Friends, this is how I organize my Almirah. I hope you all like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching.